So here we are, we made it, y'all, to the grand opening of Iron Gwazi and Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. This is it. This is what I've been waiting for. We're excited, we're pumped, we're feeling dangerous. Let's do this. 206-foot drop, 76 miles an hour with 2 inversions. What could be better? I am pumped. Looks like we're not the only ones that are excited for this ride. We are here an hour early before the park opens and everybody's excited about Iron Gwazi. I see a bunch of influencers out here doing the same thing I'm doing, but here's the crowd. It's not huge, but it is an hour before it opens. And we are in, everybody. Welcome to Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. And here we are, everybody. We made it to the entrance of Iron Gwazi opening day. This is so exciting. Have a nice little photo op here right in front of the ride. And they do have lockers right at the entrance for you. Right now it's a 50-minute wait, but we are doing the parent swap. The height requirement for Iron Gwazi is 42 inches, so Lena can ride. She said she's gonna go for it, and I think it's pretty brave of her to do so.
You're braver than I am. High five? Yeah, have fun.
I'm not sure what to call them here, cast members, team members, employees, but whatever they're called, they are very friendly here at Busch Gardens. So far, we've had nothing but great experiences with customer service and things of that kind. So keep that in mind when you come here next. All right, yo, we're on the GoPro now. It is time to ride. Are you excited, Lena? She's gonna do it. I'm excited. Let's go do this. And our cab is here. Worth the hype. That ride was amazing.
Awesome.
We all loved it. Even Lena rode it. That is nuts. So she can no longer be afraid of any other roller coaster that we go to because she just did the scariest of the scariest. What a ride. Loved it. The inversions, it was smooth. The drop was so intense. I'm beside myself right now because that is one of the best rides ever. I say Velocicoaster is still a better coaster, but man, this thing is close, and it's just a different ride altogether.
It was awesome.
awesome. So that's it for the Iron Gwazi grand opening reveal. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, go ahead and like, subscribe, share, ring that bell, and don't you forget,
I'm Kung Fu B.
I know Kung Fu.